Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. A very honest review about this product. The one good essence about my channel is I don't just randomly give links on whatever I get. If at all I'm comfortable, if at all I'm using it, if at all I'm okay with that product, I used to give the links. That is a specialty of my channel. And yeah, you would have seen me recently telling about this product. And if you want more details, you can just see the long video, right? You see me this wallpaper doing, I would have got one Misho curtain that was something in peach color that was not suiting for my background and for my video, the place that I sit and record. So I just wanted to change it and put it as usual, whatever color it was here. It was good enough, and it is like suiting for my background as well. So I thought I should go with the older one, which I have the contrast color that you can get when you see. So when you see the curtain, it is more important that what color the paint is all about, the house ka paint is all about. And then you can just choose appropriate curtain ka color that you wanted to have. That is one more important thing that comes with the curtain part. And this is again a super duper polyester material, and it this is of 5 feet. I don't want to open the packet fully. That is what I guess, but I can open one and show you all. So there is a thank you card, and then this is the curtain, and this is of one packet. It is having two pieces of 5 feet curtains, and this comes with this model. Whenever you buy curtains also, just see the model that you want. Some curtains will have bada holes that you can fit it in the tube that is being present for the curtains. And this is another model, I think, and I'm just seeing this for the first time that you have. Please make sure that you choose according to your background. Point number one. Point number two, check whether if your line is appropriate. And I do remember one of the curtains that I got which was not having any hole in that at all. It was tiny sa gap that was given, that doesn't fix enough in our line. So it was like that. So whenever you choose your curtain, choose it properly according to your background, and then see onto your choice what you want. This now goes in enough when you have thin lines, or even a darker ones, it goes enough. So it is like that, two in one purpose. And to speak quality wise about this product, this is too good, and it is pretty much dark. If you see, like uh, it is very dark, and it is of shiny material. If you have any mild colors in your house, yeah, though dark paint in your house, then this goes well with the curtain part as well. And the color, especially the color, I like the color a lot. Mostly it matches with a lot of colors, this curtain. And if you don't have any plan now, just go with these colors. Like if you're not aware about how it goes and all, just choose always a light color so that it can merge with your wallpaper as such. So if you want this product, I have just attached in my bio as well. Do check it out. And if you're not subscribed yet to my channel, please do subscribe and follow for me on Instagram at Chushi's Life. Stay tuned for more. Bye.